Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13R and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find privacy and security. Here in this privacy section we have to scroll down to the to almost very bottom to find other permissions, scroll down again and localize special permissions and tap on install unknown apps. And here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. As you can see here, we've got this this warning that basically you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark this sentence that you're aware of the possible risks and confirm it with OK. For some reason we have to sign up to our Xiaomi account. I don't know why. However, you will have to do it. Just wait a second, we'll try again. But probably it is necessary to confirm everything. It is. So just sign into your Xiaomi account, and then after getting back, you will be able to see that the browser, in my case of course, is allowed to install some content. And of course it works the same with all other apps. If you'd like to, you can remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the app and then tap on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.